Hi, we're Phoenix Farms and we're students with Drive. Phoenix Farms is UChicago's premier urban agriculture organization. We grow food crops for ourselves and for others in Chicago's historic Jackson Park neighborhood. But that's not all we do. We believe we have the highest hives in all of South Chicago. Our rooftop apiary has 3 fully functional hives with over 100,000 bees. We aim to educate students and community members about the importance of beekeeping and how to properly maintain a hive. We're working with student researchers to examine the chemical compositions of honey and factors that are impacting the decline of the bee population.
We envision a space where anyone at our very urban university, through hard work and willingness to get their hands dirty, can grow a significant amount of food for themselves and others. Our past harvests have included conventional and unconventional crops such as summer squash, sunchokes, rainbow corn, and potatoes. Our beehives have also become very successful, and we've produced over 100 pounds of honey this year alone.
Beekeeping suppliers are extremely hard to come by in Chicago, so we have to drive all the way up to Wisconsin to get our beekeeping supplies. Last year, without Zipcar, I had to borrow a friend's car that was too small and had to make multiple trips to Wisconsin to get the supplies we needed. With Zipcar, we can reserve a car whenever we want with a lot of space, so we only have to make one trip to get the supplies that we need.
Previously, the distance members have had to walk to the garden has presented a problem. Oftentimes, members would have to walk an hour to the garden and back for just 30 minutes of farming. With Zipcar, we're able to take more trips to the garden, stay longer during those trips, and get more farming done. Grants from Ford and Zipcar make it possible for us to repurpose a currently unused spot of land on campus into a garden space. This garden space would significantly increase the square footage under cultivation by our club and allow us to offer much larger plot sizes to our members.
Zipcar has allowed us to further our members' education by visiting local community organizations that are dedicated to urban agriculture. We're working with local community organizations to build opportunities for our members to volunteer.
Members of our group are actively encouraged to share their harvests with the Southside Chicago community, and we also volunteer regularly at local community gardens in need of maintenance and cleanup. As our club grows in plants, bees, and members, grants from Zipcar and Ford allow us to buy more unconventional crop seeds and garden essentials such as hoses and gloves for our members. The ability to grow more food gives us a more significant harvest to donate to the community. Thanks, Zipcar and Ford, for this opportunity for us to go further in our community.